Here's the thing nobody tells you about the bulletproof family SUV everyone wants for 2026. It's not what you think. You can't just slap on some steel and call it safe. The real secret is in the specialized armoring process and ballistic standards. We're talking about protection levels like CEN B6, designed to stop high-powered rifle rounds from an AK-47 or an M16. Serious stuff. The Toyota Land Cruiser 300 is a popular base vehicle, known for its robustness, but even this beast needs serious upgrades. Honestly, think about it. Adding hundreds of kilograms of armor means the engine and transmission need to be up to the task. The standard LC300 often comes with a 3.5-liter V6 petrol twin-turbo or a 3.3-liter V6 diesel, both offering impressive power. Here's where it gets interesting. The armoring adds around 550 to 600 kilograms. That's over 1,200 pounds of dead weight. This massive weight impacts everything: acceleration, braking, and especially fuel efficiency. Well, not exactly. It's a huge compromise for security. The ballistic glass alone is typically 39 to 42 millimeters thick for B6 protection. That's almost 2 inches. For higher levels like VPAM 9 or 10, the glass can be up to 80 millimeters. Imagine the visibility issues, let alone the weight. Only the 3% of people who research truly know that a high-security SUV isn't just about ballistic protection. It also needs underbody blast protection, reinforced door hinges, and run-flat tires to escape danger. I know what you're thinking in the comments. This is where it gets interesting. Many buyers overlook the specialized maintenance these vehicles require. Don't at me, but it's crucial. Ignoring regular checks on ballistic components can literally put your family's life at risk. Safety first, always. So, how much does this added peace of mind truly cost? It's not just the purchase price, let me tell you. The base LC300 is already premium, but armoring can easily double or even triple its price. Get ready for sticker shock. The biggest micro-controversy is that extreme price tag justified for most families. I'm just saying. For many, that money could go into safer neighborhoods or better home security. It's a hot take, but true. But for those in high-risk areas, the peace of mind an armored SUV offers is simply priceless. Context is everything. Here's the thing nobody tells you. The choice of armorer is as critical as the base vehicle itself. Sorry, this just cracks me up. Shoddy workmanship can leave weak points, making your bulletproof SUV vulnerable. Quality absolutely matters here. The total gross vehicle weight for a B6 armored LC300 can hit 5,200 to 5,400 kilograms. Think about that immense figure. This enormous weight puts immense strain on the suspension, brakes, and chassis. Standard components just won't cut it. Many companies offer upgraded brakes, suspension, and even transmission cooling systems to compensate for this. Another micro-controversy: many armored SUVs sacrifice agility for protection. Is pure brute force always the answer? I'm just saying, in some situations, quick evasive maneuvers might be more effective than absorbing bullets. The training for driving such a heavy, specialized vehicle is also a non-negotiable part of the secret. Knowing how to handle its unique dynamics in an emergency is as crucial as the armor itself. Don't underestimate this. Here's the polarizing question for you. Do you prioritize maximum ballistic protection or overall driving dynamics and cost-effectiveness? For me, finding that balance is key. Over-armoring can create more problems than it solves for a daily family driver. The real secret isn't just buying an armored SUV. It's buying the right armored SUV for your specific threat environment. Don't just chase the highest ballistic rating if your risk profile doesn't demand it. It's often overkill and expensive. It's a trade-off, and you need to be realistic about what you gain and what you lose with all that extra protection. For those who stayed until the end, a secret data point. The Land Cruiser 300's original chassis actually has specific reinforcement points built in. So here's the thing. This makes it an ideal, albeit expensive, base for armoring, potentially saving some structural modification costs. Incredible! That's the ultimate secret nobody tells you about these beasts. Like, if you were surprised, and subscribe for more facts nobody else shares.